There's two ways to look at that question. It's a good question. Firstly, obviously, Azam have got good continuity from the beginning of the season, whereas we in January transfer brought in a number of players, but I do believe that those players have improved our squad. They've improved our quality. They've improved the quality and depth of the squad. A lot of them are having a good impact. So in my opinion, I believe that we're a better team now than perhaps when we played Azam in the first round. So it's one of new players integrating. Still, we're still on the path of sort of progressing as a team against a team that's been settled since the beginning of the season. So that hence makes it an interesting match tomorrow. I think it's two good teams, two teams with big ambitions. I think the game is going to be marginal situations, who handles the bigger moments, which team is able, the chances that are created to convert them. So it's going to be a tactical game, a game full of desire from both teams. So we're determined. We know the importance of getting maximum points tomorrow. I think if we are able to do that, it definitely puts us on the path that we want to be.
Sisi kama wachezaji tupo tayari katika hali zote na condition zote, kwa sababu hata ukiangalia tunaenda mikoani kucheza mechi za mikoani, unakuta ni nyasi za kawaida lakini viwanja vinakuwa viko vibaya. Uzuri kwamba tunaenda kucheza katika uwanja wa artificial, lakini ni uwanja ambao unaruhusu mpira kutembea, na sisi ndo system yetu ya mpira ambao tuko nayo. Kwa hiyo naweza kusema kwamba itatufavor sisi, na tunapenda kwenda kucheza mpira katika eneo hilo, na imani kwamba Azam ni timu nzuri na sisi ni timu nzuri, na imani mpira utachezeka mzuri. Yeah.